Hello everyone, welcome back to Interview Buddies. Today we are going to learn something very interesting, which you might have seen in a lot of applications happening these days. There's a AI built-in tool coming in where you type your text or whatever query you have, and you get the response from the AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Llama. So we are going to run a program, a Python program along those lines. Here, we are going to use LangChain to connect with Google Gemini and pass some prompt and see what response we get. So yeah, here is my Jupyter notebook. I have given the name as Gemini prompt. You can call it whatever. So yeah, in the first line, I'm installing LangChain. If you don't know, LangChain is a framework for large language models. Using LangChain, you can connect to the different LLMs like OpenAI, Gemini, etc. Here is the next package, which is .env. This package helps us to read the environment variables. So nothing very interesting here. Let's install it. So since I already have these packages installed, I'm getting this message that requirement already satisfied. So let's move on to the next line, which is pip install Google Generative AI, which is installing the Generative AI package from Google. The LangChain Google Gen AI is an integration package which integrates LangChain with Google Gen AI. So again, this is already installed. So this is giving me some warnings application, but that is fine. Um, next, we are writing the program. Here we are using .env from load.env package. The this line from LangChain Google Gen AI, which is the package provided by Google. We are using this function chat Google Generative AI. LangChain prompts. From LangChain prompts, we are importing prompt templates. So what is LangChain prompts? So LangChain prompts is basically for a language model, we give a set of instructions or input as a user, and we get the response from the model. So that is what the general definition of prompt is, and that is what the LangChain.prompt is doing here. LangChain dot chains is on the same term. Basically, it what it does is it adds some functionality around the LLMs or the instructions that we pass to the large language model. So it basically chains them. So that's what it is doing here. So we load the environment variable and we get the Google API key. So yeah, so if you are running any large language model, or if you want to access their API, you need to have their API key. So go to that, mm, go to their module or go to their application or go to their website and generate your API key. Put it in your environment variable or .env file and then load it. So here I have named it as Google API key, and then I'm reading it using this function. In the next line, I'm calling the chat Google Generative AI function. I'm using the model as Gemini Pro, and I'm passing the API key, right? And it kinds of give me, okay, here's my LLM model ready. Now in the next line, prompt template. Again, the prompt template is from LangChain, so I'm using prompt template dot prompt template. So here I'm forming a template here. Like I'm passing the prompt here. So my prompt is, I'm a photographer and help me write a topic about some topic, right? So this is basically my prompt. I created a prompt here, and then I chain it. I pass the LLM, like what kind of LLM I'm using. It is a Gemini. My prompt is this. I wanted verbose, yes, and that's it. This LLM chain, when I run it, it will return me a response. Um, and here I'm passing a topic which is like nature photography. So when I run this program, the whole prompt is like, I'm a photographer, help me write a topic about nature photography, right? And then it'll print the response. So if I run this, so you see here it's saying, I'm a photographer, help me write a topic about nature photography. And it finished the chaining because it's verbose, so it's printing everything. We can enhance it. So let's say I'm a photographer, help me write a topic about nature photography in thousand, let's say in 2000, not 2000, let's say 1,000 words. Let's see how it goes. So if I run this task, it's calling the, it's passing the prompt, it's generating a response. So it's saying prompt after formatting is this. Um, so yeah, here you see it created a whole lot of text, a big article basically. Um, and I'm assuming it's 1,000 words or more. So yeah, this is what it is. So this is the prompt engineering. You can create your own chat app using any model, and generate topics or disc or blogs like this. Well, let's take one more example. Um, so I'm a car enthusiast. Help me write a topic about cars. Let's say write a sports car in 200 words. Let's run this example. Yeah, sports car in 200 words. It should be, yep. So it generated everything. It started in 20th century in today's sports car. So yeah, everything you needed in 200 words for the sports car. And in the next video, we'll go a little deeper into that on how to generate images. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe button. Thank you.